This is very precariously, I'll have to show you later how it's balanced. Okay, let's see if this will work. Come here, Gabby. Come here, girl. Good, come here. Oh, we haven't all three come here. We must reinforce the come here with a treat. Okay, yeah, that's the treat. Here. Ready? Pilea, sit. Agave, sit. Burro. Booty. Come here, Burro. Come on, guys. And they're running away. Come here. Hi, Pilea. I see you paying attention. You need bigger treats. These are feline dental treats. They've been working okay, but I think maybe they're not quite as appealing as like a, bacon. What do people feed dogs for treats? Chicken? Yeah, most of them are chicken, probably. Hi! Come here! Guys, these are so much tastier than rotten tomatoes. They're in my compost pile. It's March. We dug up the garden in October. It's gross. You hear someone's laundry machine go off. My ears are just good enough to hear that, but they all swiveled. Hi! Burro! Come on! Come on! Come here, Burry! Come here, Burry, I see you. Come on. Pilea. You are my instrument of second resort. Come on. Hi. 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 Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, be nice. Agave. 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 Oh no. I don't know if you can see her. She was coming. Hi. Hi. Oh, girls, here. Good, come here. Agave. Agave. Agave, will you do a sit for me? Agave, will you do a sit? No. It is fun. Where did you find that? They are really into our cleaning supplies. And before they were outside pups, we did all of our cleaning out here. I mean, we still do it out here, but like we try to put the things away. So they, once in a while, will just find something that was a cleaning supply. That's a, I don't know, I can't see the camera well enough to see how well you can tell that that's a sponge. Eggie. Eggie. Burro, come on. I know, you're just watching me cycle from puppy to puppy to puppy. Opportunistic. Which one of them can I get? Which one of them looks distracted from the pack or slightly closer to me? Possibly attentive to my voice. It's nice out though. I feel like I'm making conversation. Hi, Mom. Hi, Tris. I'm trying to think who else I know watches my videos. Hi, Burrow, Burrow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. They weren't coming for me for the treats. They were just running in this direction. Come on. Aggie, you see it. You see it. You know where to go to get it. Yep, Pelea, my phone's not there right now. Agave, good, come here. Although I didn't say come here, but you know it was intended. Sit. Sit. Agave, sit. Agave, sit. Come on. Here, come on. Come a little closer. Prompt, prompt to sit. Prompt to sit. Okay, you did it. Come here. But I'm not saying up. I'm saying sit. Just sit. Here, here. Sit. Sit. Oh, almost. Aggie, just sit. Just sit. Just sit. Just sit. Hi, come here. Come here. Yeah. Sit. Well, teaching pups to sit on video, part 3. We'll show you part 4, hopefully, in a little bit. But the camera sitting in this little crevice right here.